I didn't have these green barriers before on my gate and fence, and during the time that I didn't have these green barriers, I would find cats um, entering my inside my property. I don't mind them actually staying in my inside my property, but there are mornings that I find one or two of these pots toppled over, the stones spilled over, the plants, um, of course, uprooted, and there are also times that they would quarrel in this area and toppling over my bromeliad. So uprooting them, I would just one day in the morning find one or two of them like really lying on its side, and it's really frustrating. So, but I noticed that when I after I put the barrier, I have not found any of them resting inside. And so I used to also have a barrier around my lotus tank, and now I decided last night to remove the barrier so it looks a little bit better, a little bit more cohesive to my garden, and it's really good. I plan to, of course, paint the green barrier with black paint so that it blends with my gate and my fence.